What's going on, guys? In this video I'll be showing you how to repair your headphone socket on the iPod Classic 5th generation. This also works for the 6th generation iPod as well. And the part that I ordered it from ReplaceBase. It's a UK based seller and they sell the parts for every single iPod as well. So I got the part for £6.95, which is pretty cheap. And I also got these tools. These tools cost me £4.50 and that is a pretty good price, so I would recommend you get those tools. So here I have my Phillips head screwdriver and my opening tool and my trusty guitar pick and my other opening tool as well, which is a bit slimmer than the other one. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put the iPod in the hold position. This can be done by switching it to the right side and you should see the orange indicator. But the first thing you want to do is you want to turn the iPod off, and it should have the orange connector just like so. And then you take your opening tool and put it to the side of the iPod, facing downwards, and then just pull up towards yourself. You should find the side that is looser, and once you do, it should go in just like so, and then you just want to pull up towards yourself, and you should hear a satisfying clicking noise to indicate that the tool is working. I'm going to speed this part up just to make the process faster, but this will take you a couple of tries because it is quite difficult at first. It took me a good 5 tries to do this. Once it is done, do not open the iPod fully because there are ribbon cables attached to both sides. You want to slowly place it down, take your slimmer opening tool and put it into the bottom right corner. You should see this brown clip. And what you want to do is you want to pull upwards very gently because you can break this connector, and you should hear a clicking noise to indicate that it's now unclipped, just like so, and the ribbon cable should come out. Again, slowly open the back casing because there is a connector connected to the other side, and the connector goes under this hard drive. So what you want to do is you want to be very careful with these cables because they can be quite easily damaged. So what you want to do is you want to lift up the hard drive, and by doing this we can get to the connector. So you're going to push it forward so it props open like so, and then just pull the hard drive towards yourself very slowly because again these ribbons are very fragile. So you're going to take a slimmer opening tool and you should see a brown clip, and you're just going to slowly pop this open, and then with your finger you want to move it backwards, and once that is done you can slowly pull out the ribbon cable. Alright, now we have the two pieces separated, and what you want to do is you want to put the other side to the left out of your way, and then take your slimmer opening tool and pull out the battery, and you do this very gently because the battery can be damaged. And you're going to push down on the opening tool, and you should hear a popping noise to indicate that the battery is now loose. And then you just want to set this to the side. So this is the part that we're going to be working with. This part right here, it has the headphone socket and it has the hold switch. You want to take your Phillips head screwdriver and unscrew the screws. The first one is located at the top right of the casing. The second one is located right here. And the way you want to take this one out is you want to face the screwdriver. Actually, you want to place the screwdriver right at the bottom, just like so, and then just unscrew it. The other two screws are located on the left side that hold the hold switch in position, and it's located just right there. Again, I'm going to speed up this process to make it go faster. You can pause the video if you like. The other screw is located at the top. This one is a silver screw, so just remember that it goes in that position. The rest of the screws are black. Alright, so once everything is out of place, you can just throw it in the bin if you want because it's clearly damaged. Then you want to take a replacement part and you want to place this inside the back casing. You want to get some sellotape and cut off a size this big because we're going to be replacing the black tape that you took off before. And then you want to place this exactly in the position that is in the video. Once that is done, you need to just make sure that everything is in place. And then just put in all the screws and you're good to go. Alright, once that is done, you want to take the battery and place it in the top left of the casing. What this does is it reinforces the hold switch as well. So just like so, place it there. And then you want to firmly press it in, not applying too much pressure, just firmly press it so it just sticks to the back of the casing. Once that is done, you want to take the other piece of the iPod, lift up the hard drive and connect the cable back into the same switch that I was in before. Okay, once that is done, you just want to make sure that everything is secure and test the hold switch to see if it works. Once you're comfortable with everything, you just want to close the casing like so. And you want to grab the brown connector for the battery using your opening tool. And again, be very gentle with this cable. Then you just want to place the cable into the brown socket that you unplugged it from before. Once you're comfortable with it, you want to just click it in using your opening tool or a screwdriver, and it should make a satisfying clicking noise. So now what you want to do is you don't want to close the casing just yet because we don't know if it all works. Take it out of the holding position and just boot it up by pressing the middle button. I'm going to take a pair of headphones just to demonstrate and see that it works. And as you can see, the repair was a success. Volume is coming out of both earphones now, as it should. So if the repair worked for you, make sure you like the video. Comment if anything went wrong, I'll try to help you out. And you just want to power off your iPod before you do anything else because we still need to close the casing. I left this small rubber piece to the side because it fell out. That was just my fault. Alright, so once you're happy with everything, you just want to close the casing and your iPod should be as good as new. So thanks for watching. Again, please leave a like if you liked it, subscribe if you want to, and comment